se inscreva no canal. Muito obrigado. Like.
Crap shooter mobile repping Fat Boy. Boss called Willie. Small driver. Drifter. Got we got Outlaws. That's 350. Controller. 10 Cbs. We're gonna get started one day, Controller. 350 in the crew. Okay. 55. Crew out there chilling. Cuz Customs looking good. $21.05. Cuz Customs over there representing. Out of Texas, 955. That's a bad mobile there. Real nice antennas too. Real nice antennas. Everything bigger in Texas. They got them Texas edition wheels on it. That's the Carolinas there with cutoff man. Yes sir. Everything bigger in Texas. Another one of them Carolina transmitters. Preacher Man. Texas. Sir, we're at the break. Greenville, South Carolina. Representing. Bullet Bob and Derail. Big scrappers. Bullet Bob, Derail, Darren. Southeast operators. That old Cokie himself. What's up, Cokie? All right, what's happening?